Hey everybody, Bo here with an update on our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion Rolling Thunder cabin on wheels. Okay, so here we go. Today is the moment of truth. We're going to see how low she goes on the hookup to the SUV. So a little nervous about this because if it goes too low and the hitch starts hitting, I'm not going to be able to haul this thing. So we'll see if we can balance it out, and thought I'd document it. And like I said, it's the moment of truth. Okay, I put a 60-pound bag back there of sand, so I'll have to come back and look at the video to see if it went up at all. But now we get to take a test drive, so I'm going to give you a tour around the car, and if you see anything I'm not seeing, let me know, and the big key is going to be how it feels on the road. Alright, well, here we go. The car looks fine so far. It's fairly level. Front end looks alright. That's about where it was before. You can tell the back's a little bit lower. And I do have one of the wheels kind of buried a little bit so I could kind of get it semi-level to work on it. But there you go. First hookup, moment of truth. So around the neighborhood we go. Where she stops, nobody knows. Hopefully right back here. Alright, after pulling out a little bit, even though my vehicle is on a little bit of a slant down, it's gone up. So looking better. I'm going to pull it out a little bit further. Getting over the curbs is a biggie. Alright, now there's my high spot, which I can probably dig that out a little bit so it doesn't raise up. But it's always the hard part, getting over this. This is the part you worry about. But looks like it may be doable. I'm going to scrape just a little bit, and then away we go. Okay, I got out of there. Parked on fairly level ground. Not looking too bad. So looks like we may have all systems go. Now I can start actually booking some reservations of some photo shoots. Test drive went well. Found a little hill, had no problems. You can definitely feel the extra weight, but other than that, I had to find a lake, make me feel like I'm out there. So there you have it. Looks like all systems are go. First trip's out in the flatlands, so it won't be a problem. The big thing's going to be going up a canyon. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to leave them. Any comments, love to hear them. And just want to say, hey, thanks for following along. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel.